we are going to show you how to connect your printer using the HP Smart app on a Windows 10 computer. To begin, go to Windows Start and go to HP Smart. If the HP Smart app is not installed, you can simply do a search for download and install it in the Microsoft Store. So this is the HP Smart app. You need to click on the plus icon over here to add a new printer. So we need to set up this printer. Go to Continue. Now, it is asking for permission to access the Wi-Fi password for technology tips. We'll select Continue. If you see a prompt, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select Yes. So it's not able to access our Wi-Fi password automatically. So we'll select OK to manually enter our password. Enter the password for the technology tips 5 GHz. After keying in the password, select Connect. Take note of the blinking blue LED on the printer. Once it's connected, you will see that it is solid. Let's continue. So we can print from other devices. We'll skip sending this link for now. So our printer is set up. We can print from our printer. We'll select Not Now. So this is how you connect your HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 series printer to your home network by using the HP Smart app on your Win 10 computer.